This is a warrant for my arrest in Georgia. Unless this wonderful yet stupid attorney hadn't sent me an advertisement letter with my warrant telling me I have a warrant and that he can help. Sounds great, but turns out he's just a fucking moron with the dumbest receptionist I've ever talked to. And she was sending me text messages. And I was like, don't appreciate you blasting my personal business on an unsecured text message. And she's like, oh, well, I couldn't get in touch with you. And I was like, I wouldn't work with you stupid people. That's how that went. Never even talked to the lawyer. Never even talked to the lawyer, dude. Anyway, it says advertisement at the top. I'm not going to blast this guy. I'll leave his name out of it. Marietta, Georgia. Letters dated February 9th, 2026. Yep, they got my name, they got my address. We aggressively seek immediate results. Former prosecutor and judge, over 40 years criminal defense experience. Dear, that's very nice. Dear me, I have obtained information that you may need an attorney based upon the issuance of a summons or your recent arrest in Cobb. Cobb is the county. The person that issued this on me lives in Atlanta, Georgia. Cobb is the county. I'm a former prosecutor, judge, and an experienced criminal defense attorney who knows the court system. Look at this guy. And I am experienced in handling cases similar to yours. I would like to help you resolve your problems. I charge, goes right into it. I charge reasonable fees starting at $200. And then in brackets, it's $200.00. And payment plans are available for, just look at this guy just going on about how to get my money. Are available provided you contact my office upon receipt of this letter. So if I don't contact your office, then I don't get those payment plans provided to me and to the $200 reasonable payment to start. Fucking moron. There is no charge, capital black letters, no charge for the initial consultation. I called for the initial consultation. I couldn't get through to the attorney. He'll be in touch with you 3 hours to 1 day. Never called me back 3 hours to 1 day. There is no charge for the initial consultation, and evening and Saturday appointments are available. This guy working weekends and nights. Visit our website. Okay, we have an excellent working relationship with the courts and their personnel. We can represent you either by working out a favorable plea of your case or by trying your case. We will be dedicated in trying. There's a lot of bold letter stuff here. It's really annoying. We'll be dedicated in trying to get your case dismissed, judicially having your fingerprint cards, and why is he even talking about this stuff? He has no idea what the case is even about. He just grabbed a warrant off of the system and just sent me a general letter. We will be dedicated in trying to get your case dismissed, judicially having your fingerprint cards and book and photos destroyed, and have your arrest record expunged so there will be no record of your arrest in this matter. If you have prior convictions, which I don't, we may be able to get you pardoned for those offenses. Results, not excuses. Results, not excuses. Oh, man. Ugh. I wish I had remembered that. I would have loved to have said that to his receptionist. Our results, not excuses, are our goal in resolving your case. No matter how... Dude, you're killing me. It's like every third line is capital. Not capital, but bold. There are some capitals, arrest record expunged is capitalized. No charge is capitalized. Our goal is capitalized. Out of jail is capitalized. Avoid a heavy fine is capitalized. Going back, if you have any prior, I don't. Okay. No matter how hopeless you think your case may be, you owe it to yourself to schedule an appointment to discuss your case. If you want an honest lawyer who will fight for you and tell you the truth about your case, call me now. Please call me now. Our goal is to keep you out of jail and avoid a heavy fine. Please call my staff or call now on my cell. Ooh, I missed that. Wish I had called his cell phone. To set up an appointment to meet with me at your earliest convenience. Well, obviously, he doesn't know that I'm in the state of Florida, because if he did, he wouldn't tell me to meet with him at my earliest convenience. Para una consulta en español, llame al y pregunte por Marisa. Haremos lo posible para evitar que tenga que presentarse en corte. And then at the bottom it says, payment plans available, Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. Copyright 2019. This letter has not been updated since 2019. Anyway, this is where the fun comes in. Criminal warrant. Warrant number, case number, Magistrate Court of Cobb County, Georgia. Personally came MJS, who makes oath before a magistrate of this court that me, hereinafter called the accused, did, who makes oath before, how do they say that I did something? They have no proof, I don't understand. Between December 28th to January 23rd, commit the offense of harassing communications, violating OCGA section 16-11-39.1A1. Said accused did contact another person, BSE, repeatedly via telecommunication, email, text messaging, or any other form of electronic communication for the purpose of harassing, molesting, threatening, or intimidating said victim or the family of said victim. To wit, people, to wit, said accused has sent more than 3,000 emails. That's me. Said accused has sent more than 3,000 emails since December 28, 2025. These messages contain hate speech, including racist and sexist language, vulgar language, despite BSE replying several times to cease all communication. Said accused has also created websites using BSE's name and YouTube videos speaking about BSE and her family. And affiant makes this affidavit that a warrant may issue for the arrest of the accused. Sworn to and subscribed before me this February 5th, 2026 at 2:13 and 50 seconds p.m. And a judge signed it. Magistrate Court of Cobb County, right there. To any sheriff, deputy sheriff, coroner, constable, or marshal of said state, greetings. Greetings. That's awesome. Greetings, sheriffs and deputy sheriffs and coroners and constables and marshals of said state. Greetings. Greetings, you fucking people. For sufficient cause made known to me in the above affidavit incorporated by reference herein, and other sworn testimony establishing probable cause for the arrest of the accused, you are therefore commanded to arrest me, the accused name in the foregoing affidavit, charged by the prosecutor therein with the offense against the laws of this state named in said affidavit, and bring the accused before me or some other judicial officer of Georgia to be dealt with as the law directs. Herein fail not. Oh my God, herein fail not. People better not fail. Herein fail not. I'm not laughing at the warrant, you know? I'm laughing at just how ridiculous some of the words in the warrant are. Herein fail not. I command you to bring the accused before me. Like, what is this, dude? Is this like... Oh my gosh. This is like thousands of years ago. You bring the person, the accused, they stole a pebble from my store. Bring them before me. I command you. Off with their head. As the issuing judge affiant, I do hereby verify that this document is an original criminal warrant with electronically generated signature. This is a copy. In Georgia, anyone can just walk in off the street, pay a fee, and file a warrant against anyone else, anywhere, really. So that's what we're looking at. This criminal warrant is dismissed. Nope, it's not dismissed. This criminal warrant is transferred. Nope, it's not transferred. Magistrate Court of Cobb County. Criminal warrant, the state. Yeah, they got my name and address right. Versus bond, $3,500. Charge, harassing communications.